Joey Chestnut, a hot dog eating champion, can eat 7 hot dogs in 1 minute. Write the ordered pairs, with the X value being the number of minutes and the Y value being the number of hot dogs eaten. For Joey, for 0, 1, 2, and 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do a table, and I'm going to do that the minutes, actually no, they want to say, the minutes is first. That's going to be the X value. Then the hot dogs is second, and that's going to be the Y value. And they want to know the number for 0 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes. In 0 minutes, well, he can eat 0 hot dogs because it's 0 minutes. In 1 minute, he would eat 7 hot dogs. In 2 minutes, that would go up to 14. And in 3 minutes, that would go to 21. They asked specifically to write these as ordered pairs. So I'm going to start with my first ordered pair, which is 0, 0. Remember that ordered pairs must have parentheses and a comma in the middle. My next ordered pair is 1, 7. We have 2, 14. And then we have 3, 21. So those are my ordered pairs.